teachers go from that being a specialist to more of a generalist, and that's scary for a lot of them, to begin with. But you have the opportunity then to, because we saw this in the schools in Minnesota where they had fewer teachers, where you had a population similar to what we have at Erie High School, 170 students or so, and you have a staff. If you break 170 down, let's say into groups of 15, now how many of those do you have? You're 10, 12, 15. Okay, if you have that teacher or advisor is now in charge of basically those 15 students, that's their core emphasis. That's ones they're keeping track of on their projects and so forth. Well, now, our staff was running around 23, 24 teachers. That could be, if you were totally project-based, could be down to that small of a staff.
So you could see a staff reduction.
Now, I think where you're doing a combination, like we're looking at, where you're still going to have some traditional, I think you want to have.
I think we do. I think we do.
Those math specialists on your staff, we felt like that the math concepts still need to be taught. Going to, you still need your guidance counselors, people like that. The special ed services are still there, but I think in reality, that you have the opportunity to really cut down the number of staff. Now, again, that is if you have the teachers that are willing to be that generalist and still know, okay, I'm not a history teacher, but I'm going to be part of a student still getting some history, meeting history standards.
Yeah.
Of course, I'm going to have some expert out in the field, whether they're actually on staff or whether it's somebody that we're contacting, that's off campus, because that's the thing too this allows you to do is that the world becomes your campus, not your building. The world becomes your teaching sources, not just, it's like you talk about Butler County using adjunct instructor. Basically, that's what you're doing at high school into. As a student is working on a project that needs expertise from somebody, you're drawing that from somebody off campus, and it can be with the technology today, that can be anybody in the world.